Another exciting product from BANGGOOD, the FT007 high-speed racing boat. I just received it today from BANGGOOD in Athens, Greece. Very fast delivery, free shipping, 2 weeks, only 2 weeks from China to Greece. And the racing boat looks fantastic, and the transmitter as well is 2.4 gigahertz. Nice transmitter, very nice transmitter, and very nice boat as well. I'm excited. I'm expecting next Sunday to go to the beach to see how it's performing in the seawater, because it is recommended only for not salty waters, from rivers, lakes, pools, but I'm gonna use it in the sea. So it doesn't matter if something happens. It's very cheap. I can replace it immediately if something wrong happens. I don't believe it. I will take care of this very nice racing boat. Thanks BANGGOOD for this excellent product again.